A fair legal system for everyone is a utopia. As from the introduction of the first legal system almost 4,000 years ago, law have been on the side of those with the deepest pockets and friends in the highest ranking of society. But why this? The rules are exactly the same for everyone, right? Well, let's have a look at Bob and Alex. Bob and Alex want to do business together. They're going to build an app. They need an agreement with rules that outline the deal. But they really have no clue what to put in there and how to draft it. So they both decide to hire a lawyer. Bob's lawyer gets input on the deal from Bob, and Alex's lawyer gets input from Alex. The lawyers meet and draft the deal into a formal agreement. Bob and Alex both get an explanation of their own lawyer on all the details of the agreement. Bob and Alex sign the agreement. Now they can start doing business. Bob is working hard, programming around the clock to deliver the app on time. He doesn't pay attention to all those formal emails he's receiving from Alex and those annoying TPS reports that need to be filled in every week. Alex is not doing much work really, but makes sure he fills in all the status reports, creates records of all conversations, and sends questions about the project to Bob, which Bob kind of ignores as he is programming around the clock. They launch the app they built together, getting great reviews. Only a week later, it's already downloaded over 100 million times. Bob cannot believe it when he receives a notification from Alex saying he's canceling the partnership and claiming all rights to the app. Bob contacts his lawyer, and they decide to leave it up to the judge to see who is the rightful owner of the app, as Bob did all the work to build it. Both parties present their case to the judge. The lawyer of Alex presents a picture-perfect paper trail with status reports, financial reports, and all kinds of records. His lawyer is able to cherry-pick evidence to build a perfect case. Bob didn't really worry about a paper trail, so now his lawyer doesn't have a lot to work with. The judge decides Bob should be paid for his work, but assigns ownership of the app to Alex, making him a millionaire. This doesn't look quite fair, right? So how should this look with a live contract? Let's rewind to Bob and Alex that wanted to do business together. Bob and Alex both answer some simple questions on what they want to agree upon. A single lawyer can help them both and fine-tune the agreement. The result is a contract with which both Bob and Alex understand. A live contract. Bob takes a look at the live contract. It shows him all the procedures, rules, and conditions. No more surprises. The contract will even remind Bob to give a status report once in a while and warns him about what might happen if he keeps forgetting. Now both Bob and Alex can do their work without having to worry about a paper trail, as everything is automatically stored in an immutable and verifiable way using the blockchain. The app is launched with 100 million downloads. Alex believes that he should be the sole owner of the software, as the idea was originally his. Fortunately for Bob, the live contract shows he did the bulk of the work. Besides, he gave a lot of technical input. This should be enough to settle the case. However, Alex has a fancy lawyer that convinces him he can win in court. Alas, the lawyer can't do his cherry picking because the full history of all interactions is presented to the judge. Now the judge can make a fair decision. With live contracts, we level the playing field between individuals, businesses, and governments. Live contracts, a fair legal system for everyone.